Hello, second graders! Welcome to week 2 of Foundations Quarantine Learning. Yay! If you will recall last week, ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, this is embarrassing. Hang on, my phone is ringing. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? No? What? Goodbye. They called about some kind of weird monkey invasion. Have you seen any monkeys? I certainly have not seen any monkeys around here at all. If you see any monkeys, please tell me, okay? Okay, last week we learned about R-controlled vowels. We did AR, car, R, and OR, horn, or. And we learned that they make new syllables too. Well, let's take a look at the syllables we learned last week first, shall we? We shall. Yay! Last week, we learned the word, yes, the word barn. And we have the AR car R right there. Now, remember when we tapped this, the R-controlled vowel got one tap. So let's tap this again. Ready, set, go. Barn, B-R-N, barn. Yes! And here's how we marked it. Just like any other syllable type, we scooped it and we put an R underneath because of the AR car R. That's right. Now, here's something new. We can combine R-controlled syllables with other types of syllables. Let's do that now. Okay, let's start with the word army. Army. Good job, yes. How many syllables are in the word army? Army. 2 syllables. So how do we know where to divide the syllables? I will show you. Now, first syllable is R. Second syllable is me. Like this, because we have Y baby E, it's 2 syllables. Okay, now, when we have an R-controlled syllable, then we usually divide the word after the R, like this. Now, write this word on your whiteboard and pause. Okay, now mark this first syllable and then mark the second syllable and pause. Ready? Okay, let's see. Well, we know we have 2 syllables here, so we need 2 scoops. This first syllable is AR. What kind of syllable is that? Yes, that is an R-controlled syllable. You got it. Our second syllable is me. Trip. What kind of syllable is that? Ah, you got it. It is an open syllable. So this is how we will mark the word army. Okay, let's look at another word, shall we? Let's try the word garden. You got it. How many syllables? Yes, there are 2 syllables in garden. Garden. Where are we going to divide it? Ah, yes, after the AR car R. So write down the first syllable, gar, and then write down the second syllable, den. Okay, let's take a look. We have gar and den. Of course, we divided it right after the R-controlled vowel there. Okay, scoop your first syllable, scoop your second syllable. Now, mark them and pause. Okay, what kind of syllable is this? Livy, what kind of syllable is this? That's right, it is an R-controlled syllable, so we mark it with an R. Jillian, what is this second syllable? That's right, we have a vowel, just one vowel, and it's closed in by the N. That E is saying eh, so this is a closed syllable. Nice job, guys. Very good. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of an exception to this rule with a compound word. Ready? Okay, the word is shortstop. Good. This is a compound word. It's two different words pounded together to make one word. A shortstop is a position in baseball. If you play shortstop, you play between second base and third base. Okay, but it contains two words, short and stop. Now, when we do compound words, we divide between the two words. The first word is short. Go ahead and write short on your first syllable frame. Okay, well, let's write that word. We know that it has O-R, horn or in it, shortstop. First sound is sh, that's S-H, and then short, like that. Stop, write stop in your second syllable frame. Okay, vowel sound is ah, and we start with st, op. So we have a blend there, st, ah, p, shortstop. And now go ahead and mark your syllables. Okay, we have O-R horn or, that's an R controlled syllable. So we put an R. Then we have one vowel closed in by a P. So that is a closed syllable, and that O is saying ah. And there you have it. Shortstop. Nice job, guys. Okay, actually, we have new trick words this week that we need to work on. Okay, so here is our first new trick word. What is this word? Jameson, what is this word? Yes, good. This is the word world. Nice job. Now, Sophia, what is tricky about reading this word, world? Yes, you're right. We have an R-controlled vowel in O-R, but it's not saying or, it's saying So this O-R sounds like an E-R. Or we could even say it sounds like a schwa-R. It makes this sound So this word is world, world. Okay, let's skywrite this word. So 2 fingers, straight arm, and ready, set, go. World. W-O-R-L-D. World. Good job. Close your eyes and skywrite. Ready, set, go. W-O-R-L-D. World. Nice job. Next trick word. Here it is. Gavin, what is this word? Yes, good. Answer. Bentley, what is tricky about reading and writing the word answer? Yes, good job. We have a W here. Do we hear that W? No, we don't. That is a ghost letter. We don't hear it at all. I honestly don't even know why it's there. But it is. And we have to remember that. So let's skywrite the word answer. Straight arm, 2 fingers, ready, set, spell. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Close your eyes. Ready, set, spell. Answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Great job. One more word left and we're done. Okay, here it is. Aubrey, what is this word? Right, it's the word different. What is tricky about spelling the word different? Asher, what do you think? Okay, awesome. Check it out. We have a bonus letter, F. But that makes sense because we have a closed syllable. We have a short vowel, I, and it ends with F. So, of course, we have a bonus letter there. Oh, look at the ER. It says different. Is that how we say it? No, not usually. I think we've gotten kind of lazy with this word, and we say it like it's only 2 syllables. Different. So you have to remember when you write it, when you spell it and read it, it's different, even though we say different. Okay, let's skywrite. Straight arm, 2 fingers, and spell different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Close your eyes. Ready? Go. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Okay, that is all for today. Nice job, guys. Make sure you warn me if you see any monkeys around here.